Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, April 20, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 20, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.17. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The ETF is at the upper part of a horizontal trend, and normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but a breakup through the top trend line at $417.23 will give a strong buy signal, and a trend shift could be expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 0.120% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -6.26% and 1.43%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -0.141% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -13.62% and 4.09%. This translates to a price range of $355.74 to $428.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for SPY as ETF downgraded to sell candidate." The SPY ETF price fell by -0.558% on the last day, Thursday, April 20, 2023, from $414.14 to $411.83. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.84% from a day low at $410.27 to a day high of $413.70. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.04% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 19 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 74 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $30.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $450.01, and the lowest price was $348.11. Currently, the price is 8.48%, or $38.18, below the 52-week high, and 14.2%, or $68.15, below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $412.59. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $401.65. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen -0.575%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $389.28 and $385.91. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $389.28. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $385.91 and $385.36. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.43 between high and low, or 0.84%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $412.35. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $389.28. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this ETF and no stop loss has been set. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, April 21st, we expect SPY to open up $0.103 and start trading at $411.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.